What did Donald Trump say when he saw a UFO? I want to build a wall around it. What did Donald Trump say when he heard that the White House needed new curtains? I'll make them great again. What did the elephant say when Donald Trump entered the room? Trump in the house. What do you call an orange politician? A Donald Trump thing. How do you get Donald Trump to laugh? Tell him a joke about himself. What did Donald Trump say when asked what he would do if he was president? Make America great again. What did Donald Trump say when he saw a bald eagle? You are fired. What did Donald Trump say when he saw a solar eclipse? Look at all that free energy. What did Donald Trump say when he saw the Statue of Liberty? I want to put my name on it. What do you get when you cross Donald Trump with a vampire? Someone who sucks the life out of you. What did Donald Trump say when he found out the White House had termites? We'll build the wall around them. What did Donald Trump say when he saw a UFO? I want to build a wall around it. What did Donald Trump say when he saw a flock of geese flying overhead? I'm going to build a wall and make the geese pay for it. What did Donald Trump say when he saw an iceberg? Let's make it great again. What did Donald Trump say when he was asked to sign an environmental protection agreement? I'm going to repeal it. What did Donald Trump say when he saw a bald eagle? Let's get rid of the bald eagle. What did Donald Trump say when asked about climate change? I'm not a scientist, but I think it's a hoax. What did Donald Trump say when asked about his tax returns? They're under audit. What did Donald Trump say when he saw a group of protesters? Let's build a wall and make them pay for it.